Okay, people. So this is a story time on how I learned to make pilau from this disaster. Yes, that disaster. I don't know what that is called, but that was not pilau. Okay, so I used to work at Massy stores, right? And my friend, which is a girl, I asked her how to make pilau. Well, she gave me instruction, but not proper instructions. Because I even know if she knows to make pilau to what. But anyhow, she told me when I hot the pot on the stove, pour on the stove, hot the pot. When the pot hot, pour in what call it, oil. And then afterwards take brown sugar, right, when I put in the brown sugar, when it started hot, take everything, the the peas, the rice, and the chicken. Well, I don't think I did use chicken at that time. I don't think so, nah. But yeah, so far, let's put the peas and the rice with all the sauces, everything in the pot one time. Oh god, and you see what went on there. Oh good. So I end up calling and asking her, so wait now, why is black so? She said, no, what you do? I said, anytime when the pot hot, put the oil, put the brown sugar. And when the brown sugar brown, put in everything. She said, no, no, I don't mean like that. I mean like putting the peas first and thing. Oh god, that was a crazy experience. Right? So I end up going to my partner conflicts and ask him, how he does make pilau because he always making pilau. That is his one dish. Yeah, he always making pilau, so I asked him, and well, he made a video when he was making his own and showed me every step by step what to do. And from ever since, uh, exactly way. That's it. So I just learning how to make pilau. My pilau come out good, better than this. I could even post a video on the after this video and surely how he teach me how to make pilau, and I can also make a cooking video showing how I make pilau. So but that day when I make this pilau, I don't know what it was called. That was not pilau. That was molasses. Molasses in a pot. Or molasses might look better than that. But that was not pilau. So the whole story is that I wasted a whole set of products. I'd also go back and buy back um rice. I'd also buy back peas. I'd also buy back the whole products because I destroy everything trying to make pilau for the first time. But I must say, at the end of the day, when I give somebody instruction, give them the correct thing and give them the whole thing, step by step. Don't give them piece by piece because make sure I know what you're saying because I sure many people get that already. Get the instructions anyhow and then afterwards when they mess up, no, it's just the wrong way, die the wrong way. So what I can say, still thanks to her and thanks to my partner. Yeah, he showed me how to make pilau and now I will show all how I does make pilau now. Yeah. But what I need to do now is like do vegetables and things in the pilau. Like pumpkin and things because I don't really cook like that too now. Because like how he showed me it, I just cook so. Not because he showed me so. I just also cook so because mean thing but next video will go be a cooking video. Well not after this video. After this video will be our next video now. But after this video I'm making, gonna be the video with he showing how to make pilau. Right? And thanks everybody for listening. I will have more story time coming soon. And that is it. How to make pilau. the good way, not this molasses way.